So we're going to use Atlassian intelligence to help us create a request type instead of having to create one from scratch. We'll create using AI, and it asks us for a prompt. So let's say, I work in an IT team and my customers need to request software to be installed on their machines. Just for this example, let's say the software choices are Office, Python, and Visual Studio Code. I need to be able to approve the software. And once the software is approved, I then have to find a way to install and track the installation of the software on their machines. So using that, I've created a prompt that I'll paste in here, and I'll let Atlassian Intelligence work and help me come up with a few service request types. So it's given me some suggestions. I'm gonna go with the first suggestion because the suggestions 2 through 4 are only about installing a certain piece of software. I want my service requests to be a little bit more flexible and allow me to choose what software types to install. It already comes with a name, a description. I want it with approval, so I'm going to make sure to choose the workflow and the issue type that will give me an approval path. And my service request is created. And if I wanted to add additional fields, I can add one of these built-in fields or create my own
And
to add to. Yes.
one thing too that's cool is that with that clever is we can also use Atlassian intelligence here to kind of suggest fields for us. So especially if we're using if we're coming from a no service management background, I'm not certain what questions I want to ask. We can select that suggest fields button that's right there in the middle, and it will suggest certain fields that we could put in our request type.
I can add a due date, priority, save our changes, and we have, in a handful of minutes and with very few inputs, we have created a service project and this request type within that service project.